Hi hippies, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of my new heat press machine. My name is Courtney Shavante. If you are new here, I am a luxury crafter here on the YouTube, and make sure you do hit that subscribe button for me and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I do put out for you hippies moving forward. So like I said, today we are unboxing a heat press machine. This particular heat press is going to be for sublimating skinny tumblers, mugs, and just like really any type of like kind of cylindrical object. After getting the box open and removing the top layer of foam, I'm just kind of taking everything out of the box here. They had some instructions. This is the straw for the tumbler that came out. It came with this power cord, of course, so that way I can plug it up. This is the actual tumbler that they provide to kind of test the little heat press out with, which I totally appreciate because I don't have any sublimation tumblers because I am pretty new to sublimation. This is the little heat resistant glove. So, proper protection equipment is very, very important. And this right here is the actual heat press machine. Now, it's not very heavy or anything like that. This box is very big for what was like actually in here and stuff. But I can say that the box came very, very, very well packaged and everything. There was absolutely no way that this heat press was going to get damaged during shipping. Like, they really did that. So I'm just kind of flipping it around and stuff, like taking a little look-see, looking at everything, trying to figure out how everything goes and what to do next. So of course I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out our trusty dusty user manual. I'm gonna go ahead and readjust the camera so you guys can kind of look see over my shoulder and see what's going on here. I do appreciate that this user manual does seem to be user friendly. It seems like the instructions are actually helpful versus just having pictures and arrows pointing, and we love that because we like to know what's going on. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to let you guys kind of see a little bit closer up what's going on with this heat press. This little flap right here on the end is like kind of how you close and open it. You press down on it and it snaps back into the little slot to keep it secure. It's very lightweight and it's easy to move around. This is the connector cord. I'm just going to plug that in right there, and it looks like everything is good to go as far as setup. And now I just have to pretty much get a project ready and plan out what the next tutorial is. So make sure that, like I said, you are subscribed if you do want to see what I do next. And thank you for joining me. I'll catch you next time, hippies. XO. Mwah.